Hi everyone, welcome back to Fleecimals Friday. On today's video, we're going to be making some DIYs and crafts surrounding fall. These are some really fun, just Dollar Tree craft ideas that I had that I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope you enjoy. For this first DIY, I found this super cute deer planter at the Dollar Tree and thought he was perfect for fall. I then picked up 2 faux succulents to fill him with, and I pulled the foam base right out of the plastic planter. And since it fit perfectly, I used that to build off of. The Dollar Tree has some really cute fall picks, including these adorable glitter pumpkins. I think these are my favorite. And I used these as well as some different small pieces to fill in around the succulent. I wanted to bring in some fall colors, so I used these pumpkins, some little flowers, and these little berries that I did have to trim down. I could have just hot glued these little flowers into place, but I had a leftover pick from one of those little pumpkins that I broke off, and I was able to hot glue it into the open stem of the flower and use that to push into the foam. And here is Dexter. He's so cute. I ended up adding a little fall ribbon bow tie to him, and I think it really ties together the oranges and greens. For this next DIY, I used a monogram MDF leaf and some really cute gingham vinyl from the Dollar Tree. I laid out my vinyl and cut a rectangle just big enough to fit my leaf in. I didn't want to waste any of this. I'm going to be sticking this to the back side. Since the front is just so pretty, I figured this way I can get 2 display items, 2 different unique looks to one piece. I trimmed this by hand, which was a slow and careful process. I also picked up the large version of the glitter pumpkins and will be using one of each size for this DIY. Using a variety pack of leaves from the Dollar Tree, I picked out a few that I thought would look really nice and ended up going with 2 of these bright gold leaves. I played around with positioning a little bit before deciding on my final look and hot gluing everything into place. And here is how it turned out. It's great to be able to use on either side. I'm really happy with the final product. We have a printable coloring book for Halloween currently available on our website. Simply print two-sided, cut in half, fold, and staple. You can get this printable for free right now at Fleecimals.com using code Halloween. This will also be linked in the description box below. These are perfect additions to any trick-or-treat goodie bag. Last year, I loved these pumpkin hanging signs, so I knew I had to get more. They made the pumpkin a little larger than last year. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do for this sign, but I knew I wanted to add halves of the glitter pumpkins to the bottom. I mean, they're just so cute. I ended up finding and using this old Halloween garland from my stash. I twisted in some of these little LED leaf lights from the Dollar Tree. And then I hot glued this mixed garland all the way around the edge of my sign. This in total took 2 light strands to do. I glued the battery packs to the back of the sign just to keep them out of the way, hold them a little bit taut so the wires wouldn't show from the front. To really bring this sign to life, I added large vinyl letters to spell out the word treat. I added them leaning opposite ways as I went down for a more whimsical look. Plus, it's a lot easier than trying to keep them all straight and even. I finished this sign up adding my glitter pumpkin halves, alternating between big and little. I love the real wood look of this sign, and it looks so good in both the light and the dark. Thanks so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like it, be sure to leave a comment and tell us which one was your favorite and which one you might try in the future. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that little bell so that way you're notified as soon as we post, and share this video with friends and family who might enjoy it. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!